Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, we will see a past paper question of coordinate geometry, which is to some extent a challenging question for most of the students. This topic is from the syllabus of Additional Mathematics O-Level 4037. If you want to see more videos on maths and additional mathematics of O and A-Level, you can visit my web address and my blog address. The address is given here. So let's begin. You need to recall here that in coordinate geometry, these are the basic concepts you must know. Length of a line or distance between 2 points, gradient, midpoint, gradients of parallel line, what is the relation between perpendicular lines, what is the equation of a straight line, and area of a polygon, how to calculate. So these are the concepts you must have a knowledge when you are solving coordinate geometry question. You can see my video on my blog address to understand this concept if you want to revise. So let's just start with the question. The question is taken from November 18, variant 1 to question 12. In coordinate geometry, I would suggest one thing. When you read the question, draw a rough sketch along so that you get an idea which line, which gradient, which midpoint we need to figure out. So if the question is saying the line intersect the curve at the point AB. Now this is very easy because it is just like a simultaneous equation. That line is intersecting the curve at the point AB. Find the coordinates of the point where the perpendicular bisector of the line AB intersect the line y equals to x. Now here students usually get confused. So forget it for the time being because it is all related to the point AB. So let's do the first part first. Let's find out the coordinates of A and B by solving the line and the curve equation simultaneously. So I have written the equation of line and curve, and this value of y I will substitute here, and then I will solve it. So this value of y I have plugged in here. You can see plus x, and again here I have plugged in the value, right? This we will see a little later, so at the moment you can ignore it. Just focus on this red color here, left hand side writing. So after that you open it, you get the expansion, terms are cancelling out, and you get here x is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 7 upon 2. Now these values of x, if you plug in here or here, you will get the coordinates of y. I have plugged in here, just like simultaneous equation. So x equals to 0, I plug in here, I get 5. I'm calling it A, you can call it B, whatever, doesn't matter. So I got this point 0, 5. Then x is equals to minus 7 upon 2, I plugged in here, and I got y minus 2. So my second point B is minus 7 upon 2, minus 2. Now I have 2 points. Now I will focus what is the meaning of the question here. Now see. Find the coordinates of the point where the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Now this is important thing. So we have to find out the perpendicular bisector of line AB, right? What does it mean? If this is my point A, this is my point B, I join it, right? And I take a perpendicular bisector of it, the line which is passing through the center or midpoint of point AB and is perpendicular to it. This is the meaning of perpendicular bisector. Now, what is about this line? The question is saying, find the coordinates of the point where the perpendicular bisector of the line AB intersect this line. It means this line is intersecting with this line. Now, again intersecting, it means again I have to solve them simultaneously. But the thing is, we don't have this equation of this line. So we have to find out this first. So now here I have drawn roughly this diagram. This is point A and B, and this is perpendicular bisector. So I'm trying to find out the equation of this line so that I can solve it simultaneously with another line, y equals to x, and then I will find their coordinates where this line and this line is intersecting. So let's see, whenever we have to find any equation of the line, we either need 2 points on it, I don't have it, or we need a point and a gradient. So point I have because point is a midpoint of AB, so I can easily find out. And how will I find the gradient of this line? Gradient you know the relationship between the gradients of two lines which are perpendicular to each other. If you multiply them, of the lines which are perpendicular to each other, if you multiply the gradients, the product is -1. So it simply means if you find the gradient of line AB, like I have found here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, I got 2. So gradient of the perpendicular line will be inverse of it and with opposite sign. So inverse is 1 upon 2 and this is plus, so I will take -1 upon 2. So this will give me gradient of perpendicular line. Now I have to find out this point, which is a midpoint. So I will apply midpoint formula. You must remember x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. These are the points. So I got my midpoint, I got the gradient. So using this gradient and this midpoint, I will find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. I like using this straight line equation, which is y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. If you like to use y is equals to mx plus c, you can use that. I like this one, so I've used it here. So now I'm using this point in place of y1 and x1, and in place of gradient, I'm using -half. So I will simplify it so that I can solve it with the line y equals to x, because I have to find the intersection point of it. So I simplified it. I hope you understand simple algebra manipulation of the equation, and I got finally 8y plus 4x equals to 5. I've taken LCM here, by the way. And how did I get this to? If you don't understand, once I took LCM, it became 2y and this 2 goes here. Right? These are the basic things. So now I have this equation and I will solve it simultaneously with this. So I will plug in this value of y here, right? And by the way, I'm sure you know one more concept, because it's good to know all the basic concepts. When you have a line y equals to x, it passes exactly through the center of x and y axis. And whatever is the value of x, same is the value of y. So if this is 1, this is 1. If this is 2, then this is 2. So I am substituting here x in place of y. The answer of y which I will get, x, is 5 upon 12. And same will be the answer of y because of this line. So I got the coordinates which are 5 upon 12, comma 5 upon 12. So this is the coordinate where the line y equals to x is intersecting with the perpendicular bisector. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe it and give your positive comments for encouragement, and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.